In our problem, we will follow the PEMDAS rules. So we must do the parentheses first. After that, the exponents. Then multiplication or division. At last, addition or subtraction. You know that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. And the same for addition and subtraction. Now let's start the solution. In this problem we have this subtraction and this multiplication. Also we have this parentheses. By implementing the PEMDAS rules, we must do this parentheses first. After that we do this multiplication. And at last we do this subtraction. So first we do this parentheses. We have
9
minus
21
equals,
minus 12
and the problem became
9
minus
21
times,
minus 12
and now we must do this multiplication first.
21
Times,
minus 12
which gives us,
minus 252.
now the problem became
9
minus,
minus 252,
which gives,
261.
and this was the final answer for our problem.